MATLAB, and I will show you how to uninstall this MATLAB software or setup of a PC MATLAB. So here is going to start menu better. So here search a setting, here search a setting, okay, then open. Here is setting data here, so go to applications here, so installed applications of this all PCs, and here is uninstall the manage applications on your PC. So click here, so it is browsing and searching. So here is I want to uninstall setup of MATLAB or MATLAB software, or to remove a MATLAB, and then go down here. So all software here installed setup on my PC. So here is I want to uninstall this software, MATLAB software. So here is options of 3 dot at the right side. So click here, and here is uninstall. And so click on uninstall. This app, the related info will be uninstalled. Yes, uninstalled. So do you want to this? Yes. So here uninstall. So it will starting to remove and uninstall software or setup of computer MATLAB software. Finished the removing or uninstalling process, and here is click on the finish. So it will uninstall remove from a computer, and so here is there is no MATLAB software, and it will uninstalled, and it was uninstalled and finished. So thank you for watching, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.